If you are using these text in thumbnails, so this video is for you. In this video, I will showing you how to make cool text effects for your thumbnails like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, double-click on your text layer, then this panel will show up here. Click on Gradient Overlay, then make a gradient like this. Then add a drop shadow. Then my favorite one, outer glow. Then add inner glow. Then add bevel and emboss. Then if you want so, you can save it as a text style. And yeah, it's ready. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Be happy.